Let's learn how to remove backgrounds in Photoshop 2023 with this quick and simple tutorial. To begin, make sure your image is open in Photoshop and confirm that it's on a separate layer by unlocking the background layer. Next, open the Properties panel by navigating to Window then Properties and select Remove Background from the Quick Actions menu. Once the background has been successfully removed, be sure to select the mask rather than the image. Then go to the Properties panel and choose Refine to fine-tune the mask. Select a contrast color that complements your subject. In this case, I'm using red, and ensure that the opacity is set to 100%. Finally, you can address any imperfections by using the brush tool. You can either add or subtract from the mask as needed. In my case, I'll select the minus option, keep the brush size at 45, and use the control key to zoom in on specific areas. Use the hand tool to navigate to the desired location, select the brush, and refine the mask further. While I'm doing this quickly, it may take you a bit more time to achieve the desired results. Once you're satisfied that the image has been refined to your liking, simply click OK. And there you have it, a quick and effective method for removing a background from an image in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and stay tuned for our next tutorial.